What's up guys, Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back with another case review. This time we're going to be looking at the iPhone XS Max, and here I have two cases, well, one case and a bumper. These are both from Ranvoo. Now they were able to get me over some samples, and this is basically just their tough clear shell. Now we're going to put the iPhone in here first, just to see how everything works, how everything's lined up. Now you do get some smudges on the back, gonna get those, but the camera sits down in a nice recess. Power button, nice and tactile. Volume rockers on the side, everything matches up, nice and tactile too. Everything on the bottom looks really good. Now we want to test our charging capability. There we go. So charging capability is great, very responsive. I'm just gonna lay it down. Well, first so I'm just gonna lay it down. There we go. It is charging. We got that. So this case is, like I said, from Ranvoo. I'll be sure and leave a link below. You can go check it out. This way you'll be able to still see that iPhone through the back, and you'll still have that great layer of protection on there. It is really staticky. It does pick up dust and fingerprints. I can feel the static coming off of it as I'm rubbing it. So just remember that part. It is very staticky, and it's going to pick up those fingerprints. But otherwise, it's a great protective case. Has nice hard edges, and it is actually hard. It's even hard to bend. So let's get this one off. Okay, so here's the bumper that they sent me over. Now, the best way to put this on is to kind of just line it up with the phone, and then you're going to just drop one side in, and then the other side kind of follows behind it. Now, right away, this is going to seem weird, but I'm going to tell you that this bumper has feet on it. Yes, I said it. This bumper has 4 little feet on each side. When you lay your phone down, let's move this to the side. When you lay your phone down, your back is never going to touch, because these little feet are going to protect. Now, the reason that most people stopped buying bumpers years ago is because of the lack of protection. Your phone is exposed on the back, your phone is exposed on the front. But by laying your phone down here, you still get to see your phone front and back, and you have those little feet to protect your back. Now, there is no raised protection on the front though, so you're not going to get any protection on the front. The back gets a little bit, front gets nothing. Charging is going to be 100% with this one, because there's nothing laying on the back of your phone to stop it. You get the full back, you get the full front, you get hardly any protection. So this case is a no-go for me. I like my cases to be somewhat protective, and this is basically for style. So if you're looking for style points, go ahead, pick up one of these. And it also is slippery, so it slips through the hand really easy. You know, the back of these phones are already slippery glass, and then with this slippery bumper on there, you're going to run the risk of dropping it even more. So from Ranvoo, two great things. This one, if it's your style. Now this is, like I said, it's not my style. The bumper is not for me, but they have a bumper you can put on. You're going to be able to see the back, you're going to be able to see the front. Great. Charging is not going to be impaired in any kind of way, because you're charging the actual phone through the back of the phone itself. And then you have this silicone. It's not that rubberized. It doesn't have a lot of give. I'm putting a lot of pressure to this to bend it, but it doesn't have a lot of give. Nice and hard and protective. It's going to be good for you. It's going to let you see the phone through the back. It supports wireless charging, protects that camera, and all of our cutouts and everything line up perfectly. Now, like I said, this is over from Ranvoo, and next time I'm going to come back, and they sent me over one of these, and we're going to do an installation video of this screen protector, and we're going to actually see how it fits and how it works. So stay tuned. Until next time, be sure and give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.